How to use the Journal module. Welcome to the training on using ChildFriendly's Journal module. Begin by clicking the journal icon to access it. This module allows you to document a child's daily activities, share updates, and report any incidents. To add a journal to a child's profile, start by searching for the child by entering their first or last name in the search bar. You can also filter by group or space to find the child. Utilize the filter icon on the right. Choose between space or group, select your desired parameters, and then hit apply. Once the screen refreshes, it will display only the children in the chosen space or group. Select the child to create a journal for and click the plus sign to add a new entry. Choose the type of journal you want to create by activity type. Let's start with a learning journal. Note that emergency medication journals are only available if the child has an emergency med on file. Learning journals capture educational activities, such as preschool tasks. Use the drop-down menu to set visibility options. Selecting General allows all authorized users, such as the child's guardian, to see the journal. The internal setting limits visibility to staff members, while Confidential restricts it to those with administrative access. For the Learning Journal, select General so parents can view it. Adjust the date and time if necessary. In the description, provide a brief overview for parents. To attach images, click the Attach Files button. Once all details are entered, click Create to make the journal visible on the child's main journal screen. Parents or caregivers will receive a notification, and the update will appear on their parent portal. You can also create journals directly from the main journal screen by clicking the Create Activity button. Then, choose the journal type and use the Select icon to add students. Search for a student or use the Filter option. You can create a journal for multiple children, such as when the class plays a group game outdoors. Add the same journal entry for all children by selecting them on the main screen or filtering by space or group. Click Apply once you've included all desired children. When creating group journals, remember that all parents will see the entry, so keep content applicable to the entire group. We've covered creating journals and group journals. Now, let's look at additional journal types. The activity journal is for activities like gym games or art projects. An achievement journal notes milestones, such as celebrating the mastery of a Montessori station or zipping up a coat. The observations journal replaces binder notes between staff and admin and is typically used to track behaviors. When creating an observation journal, choose internal or confidential. Ensure the notes remain appropriate for parents to view if you leave them with general permissions. A food journal informs parents about their child's meals. In the food journal area, click Add Meal and select the meal type. Options include breakfast, lunch, snack, or bottle, along with consumption quantities: all, most, some, none, or NA. You can add a description or a photo if desired. Click Create to save the journal. The potty journal informs parents about diaper changes or toilet use. Enter the time and select the toileting type by clicking the appropriate icon. Options are toilet, diaper, or undies, along with the action that occurred: dry, peed, or bowel movement. Slide the toggle if an accident happened. Otherwise, leave it off. Use the description box for relevant details. For example, note if a potty training child indicated the need to go to the bathroom. Click Create to save the journal and notify parents. The nap journal records nap durations. You can add all children napping simultaneously by filtering by group or space and selecting them. Enter the nap start time in the journal. If the nap has just begun, use the Set to Now button. Click Start Nap to log the nap's start time, then click Create. The nap will appear in the children's profile. A nap icon will also appear on the room card in the Attendance module. To end the nap, create another journal. Input the nap's end time and click Nap End in the journal. The medication journal handles emergency or occasional medications, such as an EpiPen. Parents submit emergency medication info via the app, and admin staff approves it in the dashboard before a journal is created. The medication journal is not for regular daily meds, which are tracked in the dashboard's regular meds section. Selecting the medication journal type shows children with emergency meds for easy searching. The option is available only if a child's profile includes emergency medication. After entering the journal date and time, record when the medication was administered. Choose the medication from a drop-down if multiple are on file, and select the dosage. Enter the staff member's name who administered the medication and describe the reason, if applicable. Click Create to send the journal to parents. The health journal requires admin approval before it appears in the child's profile and parent portal. Ensure it's set to General for parental access after approval. Enter a brief title, such as fever and the time the health issue was identified. If applicable, record the fever temperature and choose Celsius or Fahrenheit. Select from preset options from the list of common symptoms. Choose Center Symptoms, which include policies for parents. For instance, the fever policy advises keeping the child home for 24 hours after the fever subsides without medication. Note: symptoms and actions are customizable in the Setup module. If first aid was given, check the box and provide details. In administrative notes, add internal notes. The description box is for additional parent information, though optional. Click Create to save. The health journal goes to admin for approval, appearing in the Approval Pending tab until approved. Admin can add notes and contact parents. Admins view pending approvals in the dashboard module. Once approved, the journal shows in both the staff and parent app sections. The Incident/Accident Journal replaces paperwork for incident reporting. Approval works like illness reporting, with admin viewing before parent access. Set to General for parental visibility. Title the journal to specify incident or accident and record the time. Use the location drop-down to select where it happened and enter the witness's name in the Incident Observed By field. Add an incident description detailing what occurred and how it was resolved. These fields are mandatory. Check first aid if provided. Provide additional details, such as using an ice pack or bandage. The final toggle indicates if the parent was immediately notified. If you're unsure, leave it for now. Click Create to send the journal to admin for approval before adding it to the child's record. Once approved, it goes to the parent app. The office can also call parents and then check the notification box. For meetings, select Internal or Confidential if meant for staff admin only. If a journal doesn't fit a template, use the Notes Journal option. Use the title field to describe the journal type and provide a brief description. To edit or delete a journal, locate it. Click the ellipsis and select Edit or Delete. Remember to save changes. This concludes the training video on journals. For more details on approvals and incident reports, admin staff can refer to the additional journal training video.